To buy Bitcoin on Paxful wallet instantly, start by creating an account on the Paxful platform. Go to the Paxful website and click on the Sign Up button. Then fill in the required information such as your email address, password, and phone number. Verify your email address and phone number to complete the sign-up process. Once you have created and verified your account, log into your Paxful account and click on the Buy Bitcoin button. Select your preferred payment method, such as bank transfer, credit card, or online wallet. Paxful offers a wide range of payment methods, so choose the one that is most convenient for you. Next, select the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy and the currency you want to use. Paxful will then display a list of available sellers who are willing to sell Bitcoin using your chosen payment method. Choose a seller with a good reputation and a high feedback score to ensure a smooth transaction. Before making a purchase, make sure to read and agree to the terms of the trade. This includes the price of the Bitcoin, the payment method, and any fees associated with the transaction. Once you have agreed to the terms, make the payment to the seller and wait for them to release the Bitcoin. It is essential to note that Paxful charges a small fee for each transaction, which is typically a percentage of the total amount being traded. Additionally, some payment methods may have additional fees, so be sure to check the fees associated with your chosen payment method before making a purchase. To ensure a safe and secure transaction, make sure to follow best practices such as only trading with verified sellers, using a secure payment method, and keeping your account information up to date. It is also important to be aware of the current market price of Bitcoin and to only buy from sellers who are offering a competitive price. In conclusion, buying Bitcoin on Paxful wallet instantly is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can safely and securely buy Bitcoin on the Paxful platform. Remember to always prioritize security and to only trade with reputable sellers to ensure a successful transaction.